Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to give you really good corona information that how I can clean this public or home computer, this keyboard. And now there is situation that in coronavirus time we have to clean also our this computer's keyboard and mouse also, because if any another person or some person who has this coronavirus, we can get this virus in this mouse cover and this paint area, and also this keyboards, these buttons, and that's we need for that cleaning. First normal white paper, this kitchen paper, and then we have to visit in pharmacy or some Home Depot store, and we purchase this isopropanol alcohol, and this is alcohol what is made for this this cleaning when we have some wounds or hurts in our skin. This is like cleaning alcohol, and this is like 80 or 90% this pure spirit, and we need to purchase that alcohol. This is the cleaning stuff what kills this virus, and this cleaning happens that first I open this my cap hat, and this is like 80% alcohol and spirit, and I take this my white paper, and this should be soft, and then we only do that kind of small trash, and then I install this my alcohol in here in good amount, that this all area is like in that way, and now it's wet. This is important, totally wet, and then I start to only clean firstly this my mouse, so that all areas in that way, and there must be in all areas must be wet. And this is the point that when I do that in this way, then in same time this alcohol kills this coronavirus, these small animals. And in same in here, and all buttons what I am touching, this is only idea to clean all of these things what I am touching when I work. And in that way, when I clean all of these buttons, then I can use also this public computers what some another person is using. And also this back area is good to clean also. And in that way, when we all time clean these computer keyboards and also these things, then we can be sure that there is no any coronavirus. And also if we have some computer screen, we have to clean these computer screens buttons if somebody else has been used that device. And this is good to do in work every morning, that we purchase this isopropanol alcohol, or then this 90 or 80% some Russian or Swedish or some other countries spirit, and of course in US spirits where is 80% of this alcohol. But this isopropanol alcohol is like this hospitals cleaning stuff in like that kind of small bottles. Okay, and this was my information, and now I can use this my keyboard even that some another person has been used that before. Okay, and good day, and in that way we can avoid this coronavirus.